guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Can I pet them?
No. Come on, guys.
There's another one coming, a brown one, look. Wow, eat from there too, look.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on. The babies are more skitterish. Come on. Michelle will be proud. I have to give her this video though. Come on, guys. Yep.
Give it to those ones over there too.
Yes, they come close.
Well, don't.
I have two
Just
more
wait till
there.
they come. You're just throwing them everywhere. That one's huge, man. Look how big it is.
This one is the less scary.
Maybe that's a male.
He's on guard. He's looking around.
Maybe he's a male. Look at their mouth.
The baby doesn't come too. The baby doesn't come too close. Come here. Only the big ones. You notice the big ones are less scary. Yes? You want to be in the video?
No, I don't.
You feed them now. Take your gloves off.
No, I'm gonna wear my gloves because I'm freezing.
I'm gonna take some shots now.